In this video we will show you two methods of redirecting a user to another page using vanilla.js. The first approach has similar behavior to a link click, with the second approach having similar behavior to an HTTP redirect. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we will do is open up our browser. We will be using Google Chrome in this tutorial, but feel free to use Firefox if that's your browser of choice. Once your browser has loaded, press F12 on your keyboard to open up your browser's developer tools. Make sure that the console tab is selected. We will be using moduate.com for demonstration purposes. If your browser tab is already on moduate.com, please navigate away to another page before continuing with this tutorial. Type one of the following into your developer tools console. window.location.href equals open quote https://moduate.com close quote. Or, window.location. assign open parenthesis open quote https://moduate.com close quote close parenthesis. It's useful to note that we do not need to include window in the above command, as it's the global object. So location.href equals open quote https://moduate.com close quote would return the same result, but for completeness sake, we explicitly state the window object. Now hit enter, and notice that we are redirected to Moduate's homepage. Also important to note is that we can navigate back to the previous page, as the browser's sessions history has been preserved. Remember that this method of redirection simulates a link click. Now, let's open up a new tab by pressing Ctrl+T in our browser and open the developer tools by pressing F12. Next, make sure that the console tab is selected and enter the following command. window.location. replace open parenthesis open quote https://moduate.com close quote close parenthesis. Hit enter and you will be redirected to the website moduate.com. Similar behavior as to the previous command, however, notice that we cannot redirect to the previous page as this method of redirection has overwritten our browser page's session history. Remember that this method simulates an HTTP redirect. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Until next time, wishing you all the best from the team at Moduate.